Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner over here. Then click on the top right at the gear icon. Now I want you to click on the first option, which is over here, Meta Account Center. Then I want you to click on the section Account Settings and then select Personal Details. When you're at personal details, I want you to click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. When you're at account ownership and control, you will have the option to select deactivation or deletion. After clicking on deactivation or deletion, you will see in front of you all the Facebook pages and Instagram pages and Instagram accounts and Facebook accounts that you currently have logged into. If you have a multi-login, you will have all of them in front of you and you will be able to select which one do you want to deactivate or which one you want to delete. Very simple. It may explain the difference. If you deactivate any of the pages or the accounts, you're not going to lose your data. You can reactivate them when you simply log back in anytime you go back to the platform. If you click delete, you will have up to 30 days to go back and recover your accounts on either platform. If you don't do so after 30 days period expire after you click delete, well, your information will be lost forever. Second note over here, important as well, if you want to download your data, you have to make a special request to Meta. So Meta will prepare your information, your data, and it will send you a special link. This link will have a usual duration between 3 to 5 days, depending on the case. And if you don't use the link and download your data will be deleted after this time frame expires. So you want to make sure that you act fast. And last but not least, you have to request your data in advance before click delete. So first you have to request data, wait, receive your data, and if you still want to delete your account afterwards, then you can actually click delete. But this is how you can delete permanently or deactivate your accounts on Facebook or Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.